So, good day. My name is Harold Ortiz Sakiatan, and I will be the first reporter. Our topic is duty and obligation and justice. So, in society, concepts like duty, obligation, and justice play essential roles in maintaining order, fairness, and moral integrity. These ideas are not just abstract principles, they guide how we act, treat others, and build a better community. So, in our society is ang concept ng duty, obligation, and justice is nagad sila ay significant na role para sa pag-maintain ng order o na ay fairness and moral integrity. So, ini sila ng mga ideas is ga-serve sila as guide nato kung unsaon nato pagtrato sa iba na tao o kung unsaon nato pag-act, unsaon nato pag-build a better community. So, duty and obligation. Duty is a moral or legal responsibility to do what is right. It is often comes from our rules in life, whether as students, citizens, professionals, or family members. Obligation, on the other hand, is what we are bound to do, either by law, agreement, or moral principles. So, duty means like doing what is right or expected from us, whether it is written in law or simply part of our moral or social rule. Obligation is something we are required to do by law, by a promise, or by being part of a group like family, school, or nation. So, these responsibilities help keep order and fairness in our lives and communities. So, everyone has duties and obligations based on their rules. Like, for example, as a students, we have a duty to study, follow school rules, and respect teachers. As a citizens, we are obligated to follow the law, pay taxes, and care about the others' welfare. So, in our families, we may have duty to help with chores, show respect to parents, and or support our younger siblings. So, there are different kind of duties. So first we have moral duty, being honest, helping those in need, or standing up what is right. Legal duty, following the law, such as obeying the traffic rules, or paying taxes. So social duty is respecting traditions, caring for elders, being active in the community. So that's all for my topic.
So my topic is all about justice. So by the way, my name is Angel Miss Herrera Rojo. Then I am the next reporter. So justice means fairness and equality in how people are treated and how rules are applied. A just society ensures that everyone gets their rights and wrongdoings are addressed properly. So ang justice is which is na fairness, equality, lawfulness, accountability, and also the protections of rights of people. So which is dapat fair kita to treating people or treating everyone equally and without the biases. And also each persons have a rights and also the freedoms to do their rights that can defend of each, then they can act or according to the law by respecting it. Then there are types or there are four types of justice, which is the distributive justice and retributive justice, restorative justice, and also the procedural justice. So first is distributive justice. So it can focuses on fair sharing of wealth, resources, and opportunities. So one of the example nga di sa distributive justice. So example sa kita na mga estudyante or kita na mga bata na anak na natin ginikanan. So we are fair or equal to educate or to study regardless of their or our background. So next is retributive justice, fair punishment for crimes or violations. So example, may isa ka kawatan, then dapat ang kawatan matagaan siya ng punishment tungod sa iya gibuhat na pagpangawat. Then next is restorative justice, repairing damaged relationships and healing those who were harmed. Then last is procedural justice, ensuring that laws and decisions are applied fairly to everyone. So example, and one of the example ko nan ini, so which is may duha ka estudyante nga nag-away. So ikaw nga which is the teacher, dapat walay imuhang panigan, which is dapat both sides or both of them you need to listen before you judge their it's because dili kung dapat isa daang imo dapigan, which is dapat sila duha imo na ipamatian ang ila sides, adiscern nimo sila i-judge kung unsa dapat imo na ay kung uno ba nahitabo, adiscern nimo sila kung ano, which is dapat dapat you need to listen to both sides for before making a judgment and case. So that's it. That is the procedural justice. So that's it. That's all about my topic. Thank you.